Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the different time zones you are watching this from. Hi, my name is Ibukun Olukwako, and I am here with my group members of Group 6 of IT Project Management to present on our findings, research, and information on how to build and sustain an effective team. We would carry you along with all our research and findings, and we hope by the end of this presentation, what you gain here helps you and your organization in building and sustaining your correct teams and creating new and effective teams. In any field, having a strong team is key to success. This guide on how to build and sustain an effective team explores the essential principles and practice tips for creating successful team dynamics, from setting clear goals to maintaining open communications. This brief yet insightful overview aims to provide a straightforward guidance for building and sustaining an effective team in today's dynamic professional environment. A few important reasons for why we took up this was to improve on organizational success, was for strategic impact, and was to improve on project efficiency. First off, let's talk about best practice guide. Today, we'll dive into some strategies for building and sustaining teams that deliver sustainable projects. Let's provide a few key points. So these key points will be further emphasized as the presentation continues. The first point we'll be talking about is to define the vision. Our journey begins by clearly outlining the project purpose, scope, and goals using tools like vision statements and project charter. An insight from Giovanni Cicina stresses the importance of creating team consensus through open dialogue, highlighting benefits, and maintaining ongoing training. The second key point is to select the right people. The foundation of an effective team building strategy involves choosing competent, committed, and compatible team members through effective interviews and assessments and reference checks. An insight from Natalie F. guides us to define roles, assess collaboration skills, prioritize diversity, and continually evaluate our team members. Our third key point would be to foster collaboration. Cultivating a collaborative culture within the team is essential and achieved by establishing clear roles, expectations, and encouraging open communication. Natalia F. continues to highlight the value of teamwork, trust building, cross-functional collaboration, and fostering a learning environment, which leads us to our next point, which is support learning. Enabling the team to learn from the project is crucial, involving implementation and implementing a learning plan, encouraging experimentation, and acknowledging both failures and success. Insights from the same Natalia F. guides us to foster a culture of learning, provide feedback, support training, and encourage experimentation. That would be adapt to change. As we navigate the project life cycle, we must assist the team in adapting to changing circumstances. This involves involving them in the change process and providing necessary support and guidance. Insight from Johnny Ratala highlights the importance of adapting to change, involving the team, and fostering clear communication for agile and resilient project execution. Our final key point would be to review and improve. Our journey concludes with a comprehensive review of our project results and process, identify areas for improvement, and implementing a target action plan. Johnny Ratala advocates for a thorough assessment, analysis of the project data, and iterative improvement for sustained project success. So as I have highlighted these key points, it shall be further emphasized as our presentation goes on. Next off would be the literary review.
Coming down to literature review. Our literature review encompasses of 4 research papers exploring the interplay between team building interventions, distributive justice, and sustainable organizational growth. In the first study by Demir and Ergen, organizational distributive justice is identified as a crucial mediator in enhancing the impact of team building interventions on team viability and performance, with a focus on problem solving and interpersonal relationships. The key findings of this study were organizational sustainability. This study underscores the critical role of building viable teams for organizational sustainability, especially in the face of evolving economic, political, and social challenges. It also identifies problem solving and interpersonal relationships as key factors in influencing team viability and performance, emphasizing their significance in team development. Team viable and performance correlation, in this study it has a high correlation because the organizational leaders should give equal importance to both when strategizing, measuring outcomes, and taking necessary actions. In conclusion, this study provides valuable insights into complex interplay between team building, distributive justice, team viability, and performance, offering practical implications for leaders striving to build resilient and sustainable teams in dynamic organizational landscapes. In the second paper, by Masanja and Chambi, investigates challenges in team building activities in Tanzania, highlighting the significance of leadership goals and communication in fostering sustainable organizational growth. The challenges faced in this study were the lack of diverse skills and interest, poor communication, poor leadership, role confusion, and conflict. The factors affecting the team building activities were leadership, goals and objectives, communication, role identity, diverse skills, and interests. In conclusion, the findings suggest that poor communication, lack of diverse skills, and other challenges hinder team building. Effective leadership, clear goals, and good communication positively impact team building and contribute to sustainable organizational growth. In the third research paper by Martin, he examines the relationship between teamwork competence and innovation behaviors among university students, emphasizing the moderating roles of teamwork engagement and team building. The key findings in this research paper were no significant differences were found between the 4 student groups that were examined, which is occupational therapy, physiotherapy, psychology, and social work. Gender and age did not significantly influence the innovative behavior. The implications found were incorporating active teaching methods like GBL in higher education can enhance engagement and foster innovation. Teamwork engagement and team building play a significant role in strengthening the link between teamwork competence and innovation. The limitation and suggestions for future research were the study was cross-sectional and causal relationship could not be established. The sample is predominantly female and future studies should include a more balanced gender representation. In conclusion, teamwork engagement and team building act as moderators, enhancing the positive impact. Training students in teamwork competences and promoting teamwork engagement and team building can contribute to fostering innovation capacity in higher education. Lastly, the fourth study, which is the links between teamwork and sustainable development concepts to increase the competitiveness of the organization, by Ligeter. In summary, the article explores the synergies between teamwork and sustainable development, asserting their pivotal roles in enhancing an organization's long-term competitiveness. In conclusion, the article argues that that the integration of teamwork principles and sustainable development concepts is essential for organizations aiming to enhance their competitiveness in a dynamic and challenging business environment. The synergy between effective teamwork and sustainable practices can lead to innovation, adaptability, and long term success. Collectively, all these studies underscore the multifaceted aspects of team dynamics, distributive justice, and sustainability in organizational settings, providing valuable insights for leaders seeking to build a resilient and innovative teams in dynamic environments.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Adewale Surajudin, a member of Group 11 of Project Management, BUS 4054. I will be representing my team to present technology tools aspects of our project that speak into how to build and sustain effective team. We recognize the importance of relevant tools and software resources for effective team development and management. A number of tools have been identified in this regard, a selection of which were born out of consideration of our budget constraint and critical need. A final pick of each tool classification was selected among numerous options from various manufacturers. A great job done by the selected team members saddled with these crucial responsibilities. At the end, we have come up with the following. For communication and collaboration, we have the option of Slack, Microsoft Teams, Discord. We are able to pick Microsoft Teams for its integrated with Office 365, and it offers chatting, video conferencing, and file collaboration. For project management software, we have picked Jira among Trello, Asana, and Rescue Time because of its comprehensive tool for agile project management and issue tracking. For document management, we chose Microsoft Office 365 for its cloud-based collaboration and productivity suite. Learning and development, we have chosen LinkedIn Learning because it offers a variety of courses on business, technology, and creative skills. For budgeting and financial tools, QuickBook has won the choice of the team because of its accounting software for small to medium-sized business. For virtual team building, Microsoft Teams has won the day. For workflow automation, we have picked Jira Atlassian for its comprehensive tool for agile project management and issue tracking. Lastly, for documentation and knowledge management, we have picked Confluence because of its collaboration capability for creating, sharing, and collaborating on projects. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your listening. Goodbye.
Hi everyone, my name is Gisa Gatera, and I'm going to talk about how I uncovered intricacies of building and sustaining effective teams, a quest fueled by extensive research across diverse case studies. In my exploration, I compiled insights from case studies, aiming to distill key findings and key strategies that teams can practically employ to amplify their effectiveness. As we go into key findings, we start with measuring team effectiveness. Measuring team effectiveness proves challenging due to the multifaceted nature of team dynamics. Unlike individual performance metrics, teams operate within a complex web of interactions, making it challenging to pinpoint specific contributors to success or areas needing improvement. Diversity management. While acknowledging the crucial role of diversity within teams, the challenge lies in managing a myriad of perspectives, backgrounds, and working styles. The balancing act of harnessing the strengths of diversity without succumbing to potential conflicts requires nuanced strategies and a deep understanding of team dynamics. Psychological safety. Creating and sustaining psychological safety within teams demands continuous effort. Teams must navigate the delicate balance between encouraging open communication and managing the fear of judgment or retribution. It's a dynamic process that necessitates ongoing attention to foster an environment where every team member feels safe to contribute their ideas and opinions. Team dynamics management. Navigating team dynamics is akin to orchestrating a symphony, where conflicts, communication breakdowns, and individuals' differences are inevitable challenges. Effective teams employ strategies such as regular check-ins, conflict resolution protocols, and fostering a culture of open dialogue to harmonize these dynamics. Training and skill development. Developing collaboration skills within teams requires careful planning and execution. It's not merely about training in technical skills, but also in interpersonal and communication skills. Teams often grapple with the challenge of aligning training programs with the specific needs of their members, ensuring a holistic approach to skill development. Executive support practices, creating a gift culture. The creation of a gift culture, quote unquote, as an executive support practice involves more than routine coaching and mentoring. It requires a profound shift in organizational culture where these practices become ingrained in daily operation, fostering an atmosphere of generosity, mutual support, and continuous learning. Role clarity and task ambiguity. Striking the balance between the role clarity and task ambiguity is a delicate dance. While clearly defined roles are essential for effective teamwork, a certain degree of task ambiguity is necessary to stimulate creativity. Teams must navigate this tension to ensure everyone understands their responsibilities while fostering an environment that encourages innovative thinking. And finally, we have adaptation to current business environment. Realigning team models with the demands of the culture of the current business environment is a dynamic challenge. In today's fast-paced, ever-changing landscape, teams must be agile and adaptive. This involves not only adopting new technologies, but also evolving team structures and processes to align with the demands of the contemporary business ecosystem. Now let's move on to our key strategies. I'm going to start with team building and training. Investing in team building activities and structured training programs is a shared solution. These strategies involve not only fostering camaraderie, but also enhancing specific skills crucial for effective collaboration, such as active listening, conflict resolution, and effective communication. Leadership support and modeling. Executive support, especially in modeling collaborative behavior, is important in shaping team dynamics. Leadership sets the tone for the entire team, influencing the culture and attitude towards collaboration. The impact of leadership support is profound and far-reaching, permeating every aspect of team interaction. Clear vision and goals. Establishing a clear vision and defining measurable goals is the compass that guides team development. It goes beyond setting generic objectives. It involves aligning every team member with a shared purpose, ensuring everyone understands not just what they do, but why they do it. Fostering trust and psychological safety. As a continuation from my point from key findings, this is more of how to be practical. Building trust and creating psychological safety within teams are common strategies for promoting open communication, risk-taking, and overall team effectiveness. Diverse and complementary teams. Again, a continuation from our last point on key findings. Building teams with diverse expertise is a cornerstone for driving innovation. However, it's not just about assembling a group with varied skills. It's about creating a culture that values and leverages this diversity. Successful teams recognize the strength in differences and actively work towards synergy. Shift in leadership style. Leaders making a significant difference in highly collaborative teams understand the importance of a shift in leadership style. Early emphasis on task orientation followed by a shift to relationship orientation reflects an adaptive leadership approach, aligning with the evolving needs of the team and the project. Building on heritage relationships. Forming teams that capitalize on pre-existing relationships is more than a convenience. It's a strategic move for project success. Teams built on pre-established trust and understanding navigate challenges more smoothly, capitalizing on existing rapport to enhance collaboration and achieve common goals. And again, a continuation on creating a gift culture. Establishing a gift culture through daily coaching and mentoring is not a one-time initiative, but a cultural shift. It involves embedding these practices in routine behavior, creating a workplace where learning, growth, and support are not occasional gifts, but integral aspects of the team's DNA. Now, as I close both slides and both points, I want to make sure that in wrapping our exploration in this subject, we've peeled back the layers of finding and strategies and offering a comprehensive view of what it takes to build and sustain effective teams. These insights are not just theoretical, they are practical guides for teams aiming not only to function, but to thrive in dynamic work environments. And as we conclude, I encourage each of you to reflect on these insights and consider how they can be applied in your team settings. Let's collectively work towards creating teams that exceed expectations. Thank you for your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Chakshu Sharma and I would like to talk about training materials required to build and sustain an effective team. First, I would like to talk about the online courses like the leadership and team management courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning are available. We can also talk about the workshops like interactive team building sessions, problem solving exercises, and communication workshops. On the other hand, we can also talk about online environment like webinars and virtual training on teams, networks, and collaboration tools, e-learning modules covering various aspects of team dynamics and team management, different podcasts on different team management and leadership skills, activities, articles and blogs, lectures on topics such as effective communication, emotional intelligence, and fostering a positive team culture, video tutorials on YouTube or other platforms on team building strategies and success stories, case studies on different leadership skills and other different departments, assessment tools like personality assessment, team surveys, and feedback forms, simulation, for example, team building simulations and virtual reality experiences that allow team members to participate, collaboration, and solve problem solving.
Resource repository consists of comprehensive collection of guides, templates, tools, and software recommendation for enhancing team building efforts. Let's first discuss tools Slack and Microsoft Teams. Both are popular communication platforms designed to enhance communication and productivity within teams. While they have shared some similarities, each platform has its unique features and strengths such as real-time communication, file sharing, and remote work. Trello and Asana are the most popular project management tools that helps teams organize tasks, collaborate on projects, and track progress. Each tool has its own set of features and strengths. Let's coming to Google Workspace and Miro. These both are powerful collaboration tools that cater to different aspects of collaboration within teams such as email and communication, document collaboration, file storage and sharing, and visual collaboration. Now coming to the software recommendation. Team building software plays a crucial role in fostering collaboration, communication enhancement within the teams. Team Bonding and TeamSnap are the two platforms that cater to different aspects of team building. Next is employee engagement software is designed to measure and improve employee satisfaction, motivation, and overall well-being within an organization. Both 15.5 and Office 5 are examples of such platform. The next is virtual team building tools play a very crucial role in fostering collaboration, communication, and engagement among remote or distributed teams. Zoom and Icebreaker Video are two examples of such tools, each serving distinct purpose in the virtual team building landscape. Now coming to templates. By using the Smartsheet Team Charter template and taking the advantage of the platform's collaborative features, team can create a dynamic and living document that guides their work, promotes collaboration, and supports successful project outcomes. Using Lucidchart SWOT analysis template for team building provides a collaborative and visual approach to evaluating internal and external factors that influence team's dynamics. It supports discussion, decision making, and formulation of strategies to enhance team performance and effectiveness. The last, creating a project planning template in Trello offers a flexible and collaborative approach to managing skills tasks, deadlines, and team communication. Adapt the template structure to fit your project needs and make use of Trello features to streamline the planning and execution process.
Hello all, I'm Supriya. Today I'm here to share insights on common challenges faced by project teams. Let's delve into the issues identified through both qualitative and quantitative analyses. Coming to qualitative analysis, the first one is team dynamics and communication issues. Through interviews and surveys, we uncover the root causes behind poor communication or conflicts. These may signal deeper issues like misaligned goals. Second one is leadership effectiveness. Qualitative analysis delve into a leadership styles and motivational abilities. Identifying areas for improvement, such as leadership training, is crucial for effective team leadership. Third one is individual and team motivation. Exploring motivation levels, satisfaction, and recognition gives us insights into team morale. Let's explore the quantitative side now. First one is productivity metrics. Measure completion rates, task times, and work output. Trend analysis guides us through high and low productivity, pinpointing areas or targeted improvements. Second one is resource utilization. Assess resource allocation against project needs. Identify shortages or excesses for better planning, ensuring efficient support for our teams. Third one is task and role alignment. Quantitative data helps align tasks with skills. Identify underutilization or overburdening, making informed adjustments for optimized team performance. Here are the practical solutions based on research and expert opinions. For ineffective communication, the solution is clear communication strategies, regular meetings, collaboration tools, and transparent channels. Valuing diverse perspectives fosters an environment where ideas flow freely. Communication experts like Patrick stress the foundational role of effective communication in team success. For inadequate leadership, the remedy lies in a robust leadership development program. This includes training, mentorship, and continuous feedback with a focus on skills like emotional intelligence and conflict resolution. As highlighted by leadership expert John Maxwell, ongoing leadership development is key to sustained success. By combining qualitative and quantitative analyses and implementing practical solutions, we pave the way for building and sustaining effective teams. Thank you.
Coming to conclusions, building and sustaining an effective team is a multifaceted process that requires a strategic approach and continuous effort. Throughout this guide, we have highlighted key principles and practical tips to foster a high performing team. From defining a clear vision to fostering collaboration and adapting to change, each step plays a crucial role in team success. The key insights in this are vision and people. Clearly defining your team's vision and select the right individuals who align with your goals. Second, continuous learning. Support ongoing learning and development through tools like LinkedIn Learning to enhance team skills. 3. Adaptability. Embrace change and utilize technology tools such as Microsoft Teams, Jira, Office 365 for effective communication, collaboration, and workflow automation. Fourth one, feedback loop. Regularly review team performances, encourage collaboration, and leverage tools like Confluence for documentation and knowledge management. For measuring success, evaluate team effectiveness through metrics like diversity management, psychological safety, and dynamic team interactions. Provide executive support to create a culture of appreciation and gift practices. Clarify roles and reduce task ambiguity to improve overall team efficiency. In conclusion, a commitment to these principles and practices ensures teams thrive in today's dynamic business landscapes.